I'm about to show you an absolute cheat code that will literally increase your Amazon sales by 10% this month. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to set up. It's literally free money. So before we jump into the video, if you wouldn't mind taking a second to like the video, leave a comment if this strategy has helped you, and be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's get right into the hack. All right, so in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to implement the exact strategy that I just mentioned. And so to be very clear, once this strategy is up and running, on average, this one PPC campaign generates an extra 10% in monthly sales for us. So like I said, this PPC campaign pretty much just goes on in the background. It increases our sales by an average of 10% per month. It costs us very little. It's an extremely profitable campaign. And I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. So within your Amazon account, you're going to go on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to choose advertising, and then you're going to choose campaign manager. And that is going to take you to this screen. And so once you're at this screen, you're going to choose sponsored products. And this is where we actually set up the campaign and choose the rules that we want it to follow. And so for ad group name, you can make it whatever you want. I usually just make it catch-all auto campaign, something like that. And as far as the products that you want to add to this campaign, so you actually want to add every product in your entire inventory to this campaign, whether it's active or whether it's inactive, because this campaign is going to run across your entire inventory. It's going to generate some additional sales, even on some slower moving products that you're probably not used to selling that many of. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're actually just going to click add next to every product. Or if you want to make it a lot quicker, you can add all on this page, and that's going to add all 50 of the products on this page to the campaign. You'll just then go to each different page and you'll add all on this page until all of your products are in the campaign. So once that's the case, let's just add a few here as a test. You'll come down here, you'll choose automatic targeting. You're going to set a default bid, and that default bid is going to be 5 cents. You are going to come down here and you're going to choose fixed bids. Campaign name can be whatever you want. You don't want an end date. You want this thing running indefinitely. We've had our campaign running since 2020, so it's been running for over 3 years. Daily budget, you want to choose $50. Now keep in mind, you're never going to spend this $50. You're never even going to come close. So don't get alarmed by that number. Just set the budget to $50 per day. And that's it. So all you're going to do is launch campaign. Like I said, this one campaign increases our monthly sales by 10%. In the next clip, I'm going to show you the results of this campaign since we started it, our ACOS, and our total revenue generated from this campaign. And so just like I said, the return on this one campaign has actually been even higher than I thought it was. So we've been running this campaign since September of 2020. And so that's been about almost 3 years. And so in that amount of time, we've spent $14,211.84 on the advertisements within this campaign. That $14,000 in ad spend has generated $561,729.75 in revenue, which gives us a return on our ad spend of 39.53, which is absolutely insane, unheard of. So what that says is that for every dollar we spend on advertising, we generate $39.53 in sales from that $1 spent on ads. So I think the numbers speak for themselves. It's very clear that ROI on this campaign is massive. Set it up immediately, get all your products in there. And like I said, you should expect your sales to bump by about 10% per month. So let me know if this strategy worked for you and give me some feedback. So thanks for watching.